Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Teddy. Today we're going to be making Tuna Melt Toast Toppers. Watch right until the end because we'll be showing you the recipe. So we're going to put tuna, 2 spoons of yogurt, and 2 spoons of mayonnaise, and mix it all together. So I'm gonna chop this this quarter of pepper and put it into the tuna and mayonnaise. Now to chop the spring onions. Now to mix it all together. Oh, that smells nice. Now I need to toast the bread. Now we're going to spread the mixture between all 3 of us. Now we chop the cheese and put the cheese on.
Teddy blue.
Now the top with cheese.
Take 3.
Now the oh, let me get all that. I can't now. I'm going to do that. Okay. Now to top the cheese.
Top the cheese.
Now to put the cheese on. Looks like a toasty. Now to put under the grill for about 3 minutes. There you are. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, Dad. Oh, Alfie, how good is it? I finish it with infinity.
Oh, you want to try a bit?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I'll drop it. That was fully on my own.
That is lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy, try a bit.
Yum yum.
It's really nice. Well done,
Right,
Ted.
Ted.
Something
Well
hot
done,
in
Ted.
there.
That's really
So
nice.
tasty.
Ted, put something that's hot in there. I think it's the onion.
It's nice. It adds taste to it, doesn't it? Well, Alfie, is it nice?
Yeah.
What do you give it?
9 out of 10. That was one of the nicest things I've ever tasted.
Millie, what do you give it, baby?
Infinity eyes and things.
Is it that yummy? Oh my goodness. What about you, Teddy?
10 out of 10.
Bye, guys. Now to top with cheese. Takes it.
That's Mummy's fault.
Yeah, what?
It's a tongue twister, isn't it? Top with cheese.